Okay, we're back in the kitchen. Now we're gonna make lunch, aren't we? You know, we made a lot of pasta, and look at how big that skillet is. So we're gonna use a little of this infused olive oil. Gabby's gonna stir, and then, listen to that, bacon, green onions from the North Garden. Okay, stir it up. That looks good, doesn't it? Just a little bit of cream. Oh, look at that. Keep stirring.
I burned my finger before.
Don't burn your fingers.
I used to.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Want to try to do it? Look at that. Okay, you stir. Okay, don't let it burn. Okay. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? So we're going to temper the egg yolks. So the eggs, we're going to let that cook a little bit. And we're going to add this hot mixture to these eggs right here. And it's going to temper them so we don't end up with scrambled eggs. Do you want scrambled eggs in your pasta?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, well you can have scrambled eggs in. But we're going to let that cook a little bit, and we're going to go back to the salad dressing here.
I don't want scrambled eggs.
So we have garlic, the garlic scapes, oregano, a little bit of good local honey. How local is this honey, Gabby?
Like sticky.
About 100 yards away. That's good. And the honey will help emulsify this.
It's so hot.
A little bit of salt and pepper.
I can take my
So I go to the burr mixer. That goes over there.
And I'm getting scared of that.
You scared of that? Okay,
I said I'm not.
that looks fabulous right there,
I
doesn't
said
it?
I'm not.
No. Okay, so the pasta's looking good. It's heating up. So when we make this liaison,
Can I have that one?
yep. But I'm going to do this first. We're going to take this hot cream and stir it in these eggs, and that'll go in at the very last minute. Okay. Okay. You want that one? I got you. Okay. So this goes in.
This is like a taste one.
This looks pretty good, doesn't it? A few green peas.
Whoa.
Parmesan at the end, the eggs, a little bit of our pasta that's hot. You ready? Keep stirring. You want tongs? Look at that. You think that's enough? You're going to be able to eat all that, aren't you?
Oh, you took all that.
Okay, so all we need to do is get this to a boil. Critical part. Notice how the eggs are nice and smooth. Okay, this is where we gotta really stir and pay attention. Just watch how the sauce thickens up with all these eggs.
My iPad's right there.
I know. Yeah, this is looking really good, isn't it?
It's pasta.
Pasta. See how it's getting thick? Man, keep stirring, okay? Don't let it burn. Stir in the middle, just like Paul, okay? Okay, I think it's almost time to go to the plate, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's gone. Looks like Gabby is, Okay, Gabby, what do you think? Does it look pretty good? Okay, look how thick it is. I think we need a little sampler just to see. Ooh, that is so good. A little bit of salt and pepper. And while that's cooking, we're going to think about how our plate presentation is looking. So we made a little Parmesan cookie. Remember the Parmesan cookie, Gabby?
Yes.
So imagine if you get this at a restaurant, you will be very happy, won't you? Okay, that's going to go here for now. Pasta first, Parmesan cookie.
This is the pot chef. I don't want my hat on right now. Can I take my hat off?
Yep, you can take your hat off.
Oh, who undo my hair?
We are going to have a great lunch today, aren't we? So, pasta, Parmesan cookie, bread, and we're going to take this lettuce, just give it a little douse with the dressing, and this will be a great garnish. Like so. Parmesan. And a little oregano. Okay, I think it's time to eat, doesn't it?
My camera keeps on pausing.
Thank you, guys.